Say like and subscribe. Hit the bell.
Hey guys, Katie here. So today I am going to be talking about TERELAX. So if you guys didn't know, TERELAX is a brand focused on healing your muscles through reflexology, and I was really excited to work with them on this video. So thank you, TERELAX, for collabing with me on this video today. So yes, we are all in need of a bit of pampering and healing, and I love anything that promotes healing, anything that can relieve and or prevent stress. So yeah, so a foot massage is a great way to relieve stress, and also it promotes healing in not only your feet but like your entire body and your nervous system, which I think is so important. So yes. So in this booklet that comes with the product, it comes with some product theory. It has a lot of really interesting facts about reflexology. It says that reflexology is based on traditional medicine, meridian science, magnetic science, and reflexology health law. And here's one more quick fact that I thought was pretty interesting. It dates back 5,000 years to the inner canon of the Yellow Emperor records, which says that a foot massage can make a person healthy. Meridian is a channel, and if blocked, it can make a person feel uncomfortable. The meridian line connects the feet's reflex points, and when massaged, it stimulates circulation. I love that because honestly, so much of what happens to the human body is your joints getting like all clogged up. What is that called? Inflamed. So stress can cause inflammation. It has been shown to cause inflammation. Certain foods that you eat cause inflammation, certain drinks, and inflammation is pretty much a leading source of disease. So yes, we do not want inflammation. We want the body to be circulating at its utter potential. I am going to show you guys how I use this product, and yeah. So guys, as you guys saw, I basically just chilled and relaxed with a book while I used this product, and it was honestly so relaxing. Like, this product is really, really relaxing, and I highly, highly recommend it. I feel so relaxed right now. It's really easy to use. That's something that I definitely look for in products like this. There's an on and off button, there's a mode setter, so yeah, you can change the settings. There's a heating setting, there is a speed setting, and you can also change the direction in which the massager goes. So yeah, I think that's all that I have to say about this product. Definitely let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I will have all of the information of TERELAX in the description box, so definitely go check them out. Bye guys!
Want to say hi, Moon? Say hi to the subscribers. Say like and subscribe. Hit the bell. Don't forget to hit the bell. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.